In Florida's 2026 development landscape, the biggest hurdle isn't always the design, it's the review process. We've all dealt with municipal reviewers who send vague, endless requests for information that stall a project for months. But as of October 2025, and now in full effect for 2026, Senate Bill 1080 has fundamentally changed the rules. This law forces counties and municipalities to be financially accountable for delays. If they miss their statutory deadlines, they don't just owe you an apology, they owe your client a refund. The clock starts the moment you submit your landscape permit application. Under SB 1080, the local government has exactly 5 business days to acknowledge receipt. But here is where it gets technical. Within 30 days, the city must either deem your application complete or issue a written specification of deficiency. This can't be a vague email. It must state with particularity exactly what is missing based on their published requirements. If they fail to provide this written notice within that 30-day window, that's an automatic 10% refund of the application fee. SB 1080 also puts an end to the infinite loop of RFIs. For plans certified by a professional like a landscape architect, the municipality is prohibited from requesting additional information more than 3 times. After your first response, if they miss the next 30-day completeness deadline, another 10% refund. After the second response, if they don't respond within 10 days, that's a 20% refund. They are now legally incentivized to get to the point. If they can't find a deficiency in 3 tries, they must process your application for approval or denial as is. For projects that don't require a quasi-judicial hearing, the city has 120 days to reach a final decision once the application is deemed complete. For those that do require a hearing, they have 180 days. If they exceed that 120 or 180-day window by even 1 month, 50% of the fee must be refunded. If they go 31 days or more past that deadline, your client is entitled to a 100% refund of their application fees. On a large-scale project where fees can reach tens of thousands of dollars, this is a significant financial protection that you, as the landscape architect, are now managing. Now, keep in mind, these deadlines restart if you make a substantive change defined as a 15% shift in density or intensity. And of course, if you agree to an extension in writing, you waive the refund. In 2026, your role isn't just about beautiful buffers and compliant plant lists. It's about statutory project management. By holding the city to the SB 1080 timeline, you ensure your client's permit moves as fast as the law requires. Know the deadlines, track your RFIs, and don't be afraid to ask for the refund your client is legally owed. Thank you for watching. I'm Raysa Molina, and I'll see you in the next deep dive Florida Landscape Codes.